Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're all keeping yourself safe. So this video is long overdue. I was hoping to upload it sooner, but I've not been feeling well lately. Let's get straight into how I made this maxi dress. So to start off, I had 3 pieces of fabric. The large piece was about 60 inches wide and the smaller piece was 8 inches wide, and the length of both pieces was 37 inches long. 1 inch was for the allowance, for the hemming allowance. Then I joined the smaller piece on the side. This is basically going to be my side seam, and don't forget to leave a space at the top for inserting the zip. But if you forget, it's okay. You can always grab your seam ripper and then just open the seam back up to insert the zip. Then I went on to join that. After that, I now went on to prepare to join the skirt and the front, where there's going to be the slit in front. Then I measured my slit from the top, so the resulting length of my slit was going to be 10 inches. So you just make that about 11 inches, also including the allowance at the top. Then I just joined that part, which I went on to sew on the sewing machine. After sewing it, I now opened the seam up. Then I took it to the ironing table, and then I started to open the seam up and then iron. And when I get to the part where the seam is open, I would just fold the edges down and iron them.
Choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a
Then I went to the sewing machine and then I stitched the open seam down. I stitched the open edges of the seam down.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill.
After sewing down the waistband, I now went to the sides and then I added my zip. So at first I just used pins to hold it down, and there I had done a tacking stitch. I always do a tacking stitch first on my zip before I sew it down on the sewing machine. And there I was done sewing the zip down using a sewing machine. So at that point the bottom of the skirt is basically done. To make the front part of the dress, I measured my waistband and it was half of 32 inches, which was 16 inches. Then I cut 4 pieces of this yellow fabric, which were 9 inches wide and about 16 inches long. Then I went on to join 2 of them and I would sew them on the sides just like that. Then I turned both of them inside out. Then I ironed them.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I
Dress.
know. So I choke you down just like a pill.
And I just used some pins to hold it down.
You like a
Then I went on to stitch them down on the sewing machine.
do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know.
Then I folded about 1.5 inches on the top, and then I sewed them down on the I now went on to prepare the strap, and those are the dimensions that I used: 3 inches wide and 3 yards long. I really wanted it to be very long and enough. Then I first joined my 3 little pieces of fabrics, and then I went on to fold the little fabric strip in half, and then I sewed. After sewing, I used a safety pin to turn it inside out. I just went on to press it with an iron and make it nice and flat. And then I also folded in the edges of the little strip and press them flat before going on to hem them. Then after preparing the strap, I now used a safety pin again to insert it at the top part of the dress. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope to see you again in my next DIY project. And there are so many that are going to be coming. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.